Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her February favorites. How are you guys doing so far? Hope everything's well. I am doing quite well, even though I have a cold, but I am pushing through. I hope you guys are having a wonderful month of February so far. Mine's just going all right. Actually, today is my birthday, so I feel pretty good. So let's get right into it. I got 5 of my top favorite things that I've been loving for the month of February. I'll start with these cute little lashes on the little pops. Isn't that cute? I got a really amazing YT BFF that just loves me so much, and I love her so much. She means everything in the world. She keeps me up to date with what's going on. She has the best news about letting you know what to do, what to try. My go-to person to let me know the feedbacks of what's current and what's trending would always be Dee. So definitely I'll leave her link down below so you can figure out, the latest. She also does hair. She has natural, beautiful, full hair. Eventually I'll get there one day so that I could also talk about my hair and my hair journey. But definitely I'll leave her information down below. But this is not the one that I've already worn. The one that I have is somewhere missing already. But this is the second one. But I wanted to show you how pretty it was before I had destroyed the first one. So that's one. Also, my Smashbox. I've been dying to use this setting spray for this priming water for a long time. And finally, I got this. And I'm very happy that it just does an amazing job. I have the Wet n Wild Color Con lip gloss now. This is an amazing lip gloss. I mean, I love this lip gloss. It's so moisturizing and I love it. My eyeshadow pick for the month of February. This is what's on my eyes today. The Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow. Ooh, almost dropped it too. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? This is what's on my lid right now. This is the Cranberry Splash. I used some hashtag and teddy bear. Isn't that pretty? Oh my god. If you hear little feet, that's Des running around, just doing what he does. But yes, this is a beautiful palette. I'll be using this. I've been using it since January, but I'll be using this all the way through the month of March as well. That will be in my monthly basket so that I can play around with all of the colors. They had so many options and selections. So definitely this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And the final is the Wander Beauty Wanderlust Dusk to Dawn blush and highlighter. Okay, here we go. All right, this is the City Lights, Havana Nights, and Tuscan Sunrise. And these colors are so beautiful. They are gorgeous. I just love them. So those are my top favorites for the month of February. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The blush and highlighter, the lash, the lip gloss, the Smashbox primer, and the Violet Voss. This is my favorites for the month of February, you guys. You guys enjoy and have a wonderful and blessed month of February, and I will catch you guys on the next video. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.